Today on Mom to Mom, we have a couple of DIY Valentines for your kids' school. Today we have a couple of really cute Valentine's options, one for your kid to give to their classmates and one for the teacher. So why don't we get started with this DIY lollipop right here. All you're going to need are some plates, some ribbon. I like to do these fun little straws, gift bags, some candy, and some tape. So let's put this together. What you're gonna wanna do is take your plates and kind of pop it out on both of them. And then these will actually hold a lot of candy. So you can put, gifts in there, candy, whatever you like. So just stick some stuff in there. Once you have all your stuff in there, then you're gonna take your straw and then tape it to the back. Then you're going to tape it together. Then, once you're done taping that to the back, we're going to take our gift bag. I like to cut them in half and kind of just mold them onto the paper plates and then tape it all around to make it look super cute. Tie it up, put a little tape around that, then tie your bow, and you're off with these cute little Valentines for your kid to take to their classmates. And they'll love it because it's different. Now let's get to the teacher option. These are cute little Valentine's hearts, cherries, as you will. And you can get all this stuff at the dollar store, Dollar General, Walmart, wherever you prefer, they have it. And I found that Starbucks for the teacher have these cute little hearts that fit perfectly in these heart shapes. So all you're gonna need for this is some green pipe cleaner, some heart candies, your Starbucks gift card, some ribbon, and these cute little hearts. Let's put this together, shall we? So what you're gonna wanna do is take some of this. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. I just had a package that this came in and I thought it was cute to stuff in there. You can just throw the candies in there. On the other side, put the cute little gift card. Then you're going to take the pipe cleaner and kind of just twist it up. Tie your bow on it first. Then you're going to stick the two ends of the pipe cleaner through these little holes, through the hearts. You kind of twist it up, and then you've got your cute little cherry Valentine for your kid's teacher. Hopefully your kids have as much fun as I did putting these together. I know the teachers are gonna love it as well. If you have any wonderful ideas, you might see that on the next Mom to Mom.